Baby bus.
We should take them to kindergarten. Let's go! Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the bus.
The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle.
We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery at a Pick your cart. I want to bring them to class. Let's go get them. That's not pillow. Quilt. That's quilt. Water bottle. Notebook. Hand sanitizer. School bag. Pencil case. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been bought. Thanks. We finished shopping. Let's get on the bus. Bye, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome!
We want to take some pretty pictures.
All right, let's go change clothes first.
So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Click the...
It's such a beautiful photo.
Thank you. I need to wear pretty clothes for a photo. Please find some nice ones for me. Click the...
What a great photo.
Thanks. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Hank is on the bus. Let's go. We're going to pick up another friend. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Kiki. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
All our friends are on the bus. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
Let's go get a regular... Measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found the pattern. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thanks.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound?
Frog. Cat. Cow. Thank you.
ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.
Thank you.
We are done with our health checkup. Let's go to kindergarten.
We have arrived at kindergarten.
This is our classroom. It's where we will study. Can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss May.
I'm Mew. I like reading.
I'm Kiki. I like playing with you the most.
I'm Hank. I like soccer.
I'm Lulu. I like dancing.
Kiki, Mew, Hank, Lulu, remember your friends' names. You will be good friends with each other. Let's decorate our classroom. Hang the photos you like on the wall. Wow, I like your photos. The classroom is beautiful now. It's toy time. Pick your favorite toys.
Let's play with some toys. Wow, it's fun. Wait.
I will catch you. Stop there.
I'll show you how good I am. Oh, my ball!
Well you like the toys in class?
It's so fun!
I want to play some more.
Please sort out the toys after playing with them. It's snack time. Let's have something to eat.
Let's eat some snacks.
You did a good job of eating everything. Awesome! You all did well today. I want to give each of you a red flower. Pink, give flowers to your friends.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. It's time to go back home. Baby bus is waiting for you at the entrance. See you, friends.
Okay.
Be careful when you go back home. See you.
Miss Amy, goodbye.
Bye.
Baby bus, let's go. We're taking all our friends back home safe and sound. Lulu has arrived.
Bye, baby bus.
Lulu, see you tomorrow. Baby bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light. Move the steering wheel and speed up. Mew Mew has arrived.
Bye, baby bus.
Mew Mew, see you tomorrow. Baby bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Hank has arrived.
Bye, baby bus.
Hank, see you tomorrow. Baby bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus. Kiki has arrived.
Bye, baby bus.
Kiki, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends. I'll come pick you up tomorrow.